Yep. This is why I tweeted about my internet problems. But
Hello and welcome to the 20th episode of Unengineered Podcast where we talk tech and tech only abhi to.
23rd
Because-
was? No.
No, 28.
28, yeah. Correct.
Huh.
Yes.
The heck man. So we're gonna talk about how the Indian government pretty much messed up all social media networks. I guess abhi ke liye. Now that we know, WhatsApp is suing them by the way. Imagine
Just a side note.
imagine pissing off Facebook so much that they are talking about privacy. So there's that. And second is ransomware. So since the pandemic started, there is a lot of ransomware going around companies, hospitals, police departments. Everyone is getting hit by ransomware. And I know a simple technique. It's very simple, which can save you a
Lot of money, time, energy.
I guess, but it's not as 100% working. It is just a tip.
Okay.
So we'll come to that. It's a very small tip, won't take, it will take 10 minutes and you potentially be safe. So
I'm
let's start
interested.
with it.
I don't know what he's talking about, but I'm interested.
You wanna do the ransomware first?
Go ahead. If it's short,
Okay,
please
so-
do it first.
If you look at the graph of ransomware and time wala pandemic ke time, so it just suddenly
Skyrocket.
basically a lot of people went into ransomware because people were actually paying the ransom and it was kind of working. But now it's in limelight, so hackers
But
are in trouble.
can you explain what exactly ransomware is?
Okay, so we'll start there. I guess. So ransomware is a small program. What it does, it encrypts all your files, and that can only be decrypted using one big key, and the big key is with the hackers. Now, what hackers do extra is some companies have the backup of all the data. Like, so हर रात को backup होते रहते हैं. They're like, fuck it, एक दिन का data whatever. They just delete everything.
Yeah.
Take the they use the backup and just whatever, they will be safe. So what these hackers started doing is they take all the data from the company and they threaten if they don't pay the ransom, they release it on the internet. So now that is a twist in their technique to get
Big
the ransom
brain.
out.
Nice.
It was big brain. So not only do they give the description key, but they also release the data in some case if you don't pay the ransom price. So yeah, ransomware attacks have increased suddenly, but the problem is, okay, these criminal organizations, so they are really smart. But the thing is, they are not as untraceable. The only way for them to survive is staying low key. Like, sure, you can hack, but don't come as an FBI list and stuff. If you come there, it's big trouble.
Yeah, correct.
Because as soon as you get popular, right, the FBI watch list you get higher and higher. And once FBI is behind you, sure, they won't technically get to you, but they'll make your job very hard.
Difficult, correct. Nobody
So-
wants to deal with an FBI top lister, right?
Yeah, right.
You will not
So-
get to that.
So, and it's become a problem now because pandemic में इतना ज़्यादा ransomware बढ़ गया कि it's hitting top news charts. And these guys are hacking as a hospital systems, police departments, the natural gas supply line in US का.
Correct.
and
Oh
stuff.
damn, the natural
Uh-huh.
gas supply. Yo, you can talk
Yeah.
about that. So,
Mhm.
so a ransom is basically like holding information, or in the olden times they used to kidnap people and then ask for a ransom in exchange for the person.
So that is where the term
yeah.
ransomware. And
that's
ransomware is just software that
mix of ransom and software. So yeah.
So we had the WannaCry pehle, which
Yeah,
targeted
that was
hospitals and everything.
so popular. Like
Yeah,
that's the
and
first
it-
time I ever heard of the word ransomware.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
It was
One-
उसके पहले से काफी था. It was the first widespread one.
Correct.
And we got our ass saved in that one by a guy. So what? I'll tell you the story. So what he did
Yeah, go
was, so he went through the WannaCry virus software files and stuff, and he saw that as soon as you run the program, right, which is supposed to encrypt everything, गलती से ही run it, obviously, no one does it on purpose.
Correct.
So what it does is it sends a network call and it checks if this IP address is active or not, if this domain was active or not. It was some website. And so it checks it. अगर वो inactive रहेगा so it continues with the ransom. But अगर वो active रहेगा, it gets a response, then it won't encrypt your file. And what he saw that website was available to buy. So what he did was he just bought the domain and he kept sending responses. So these WannaCry client
Oh,
side
damn.
thingies checked that and did not encrypt the computer.
Samjha. Damn.
So that is how we are saved us.
Big
It was a
brain.
mistake on the hacker's part.
Nice.
The thing is, this guy was caught by FBI later for something else. So basically, all this dark web shit people, right? They want to stay hidden from the FBI.
Yeah.
No matter how smart you are, FBI is gonna make your job harder any day. They won't necessarily get to you every time, but they'll make your job harder.
Yes.
And that is what happened in this guy's case. He got really famous for saving the entire world as a virus thing. And then he got caught because he
Something
had.
shady.
So this guy was a grey hat, right? There's white hat, there's black hat, and he was a grey hat. When he was in the middle, he did it for good, but he had to stay in connection with the black hat people to actually know he catch her.
Samjha. Oh.
And so he had contributed to some other virus or something. I don't remember it in here. But yeah, talking about the gas pipeline also, the hackers came out and said that they'll choose a target better next time because they did. So there are some principles these groups follow. Okay, they don't target health systems, they don't target hospitals, police department. जो भी एकदम necessary things है ना, they don't target that usually because it is against their principle.
Professionals have standards. That's the
Yeah,
the
perfect.
meme.
So the hacking group said that we're sorry, we'll choose a better target next time. I think they paid the ransom because they had ransomware protection, ransomware insurance करके चीज start हो गई, where the
Yeah.
insurance company
Very
pays
smart.
the ransom.
Very smart.
So they don't just fix everything; they also pay the ransom
That's
fee.
great. That's great.
ये unlock होने के लिए just in case everything happens. So they had that and stuff. And then I don't exactly remember what happened. Maybe they paid the ransom, they didn't pay the ransom, but when they got the key and the program to decrypt everything, it was so slow that it was taking days to get it online again.
Mhm.
So their tools are built properly. So
what
every time
happened
you
during
get-
the what do you call it, natural gas hack? What happened?
so there were backups in place. The gas was then transported through trucks and stuff. There were backups in place, but it only lasted 4 or 5 days. So तभी थोड़ा price increase हुआ and stuff, but they got it back online and stuff.
Correct.
It got sorted out really soon. But this was a good case. This was, I think, best case है थोड़ा पीछे था कि they should have had backups, they should have had security in
Correct,
place
correct.
and stuff. But the hackers said that they'll choose a less political target next time. And stuff. But the thing is, these guys came in FBI for watch list. Now their job is harder and
Correct.
stuff. So I don't know what's my point here. I actually completely
The
forgot
point,
my
the point is that's how ransomware works, and this was the most recent case of ransomware being used to affect people's life directly. Like the cost of gas went up in the US by to I think $3 a
shit.
gallon, and then people were hoarding like literal hoarding gas in their homes and in their cars, which was really bad and really
And-
risky.
What this pandemic has taught us is these systems and stuff, these viruses, computer viruses actually have real life
implications.
WannaCry के साथ भी है.
Absolutely. Because तुम अपना सारा डेटा इंटरनेट पे डालोगे, ऑनलाइन रखोगे, बैकअप करोगे. It's very important to keep it safe. And if you
Yeah,
don't,
so keep your data safe.
you can incur real life losses and stuff. So yeah.
These hackers have a human side too. Okay, I do not endorse them. I'm completely against them. But I've seen cases where there's a human touch to it. So there's this guy who tweeted he was affected by a ransomware and the kids and the entire family was killed in a bombing. I think Syria mein
Oh
kahin.
my god.
And their last photos that he had, the only photos that he had, were on the computer that got attacked by ransomware. So the group came out and gave all the keys for Syria so that the guy could unlock his computer and stuff. So there's that. I don't know. I mean, there's no point. They're not good people, but
No, there's no but.
yes,
There's no but. You can't be like, oh, you did not do a bad thing. That's good for you. You can't do that.
You did.
Thank you so much for not
I'm just
doing-
saying they're human. It's not a computer just going ransomware.
ठीक है. But one-off cases that happened. But
It's
still,
and they did mention that this is a one-off case. We're never gonna do this again.
yes.
So yeah, stay safe, ransomware. Coming to the clickbait of this part, where I tell you a small tip to save yourself from these. So a lot of ransomware softwares and other groups which deploy these ransomware softwares are located in Russia. Not all of them, but
We're not being racist or anything, guys. It's a fact.
It's statistics, guys. So the thing is, Russia doesn't prosecute these guys if they do it outside. If they hack anything outside Russia, they only prosecute these guys if it's in Russia. So a lot of computers have multi-language systems, and you can kind of save yourself just by adding the Russian module. So
Oh, damn.
Windows so you can just add the Russian language module. You don't even have to keep it as a primary module or first. अभी use नहीं कर पाओगे. Keep English as a primary, just keep Russian as a secondary or tertiary. जो भी.
Oh wow.
What these viruses do is they just check Russian model है तो they won't do anything. They'll just leave. I kid you not, this actually works.
So cool.
But it will only work अगर तुम्हारा the virus on your computer is in the ransomware
It's made in Russia.
was Russia, because they are worried about prosecuting. A lot of them have this checker. Like if you go through the software and there is this checker key, Russian model
So
installed.
random.
If yes, it will just leave.
So random. But
So-
how do you install the Russian module?
So actually, I only know Windows का. That's the
बता दे
weird
Windows
part.
बता दे भाई. That's 90%
Windows
viewers
में, if you
cover.
go into Start menu and Language and Settings, and there you can add another language. Just add
Language,
Russia वाला language and settings. So
language settings, okay.
and उसमें different plus button होगा. Just add Russian as the other one.
Russia.
Atik is doing it right now. Actually, क्या
The
करता
first,
है?
the first one is okay. Belarus, Kazakhstan. The first one. I'll choose the first one.
Russian language है.
I know Russian type किया तो मैं एक कुछ तो. It's mostly Russian only. Install.
Multiple year anchors words in fact.
I am.
But so you can technically save yourself, like kind of.
Guys,
90%.
that's how much time it took.
But
It took me 20 seconds to save.
it takes
lot
you
of
20
ransomware.
Hmm.
So yeah.
So-
do it.
Yeah, that's the ransomware topic. It was pretty all over the place, but you get the problem, right?
So yes, ransomware. They hold your data. They ask for money in return. They can have real life effects like inflation of petrol prices, and that's how you stay safe.
Dude, yeah, we have like 3 minutes on this topic, and I just want to glance over the Domino's ka hack.
But I don't know this.
You don't know this? God. Okay, so Domino's got hacked, okay, 2020.
And
I guess.
Advait is very affected by Domino's. को कुछ भी order उसका मतलब.
Okay, I love Domino's. Okay, I order Domino's.
Cringe.
काफी
I
regular.
hate Domino's. I'm sorry.
And the thing is, Jubilant Foods, which is responsible for
Jubilant
entire
Foods,
India,
yeah.
they got hacked and their entire 130 terabyte database was released online. So if you there is a link, I think we are allowed to put it in the description. There is this onion link which you click on and you go, there's this funky looking site. Just put in your phone number if you have ordered anything from Domino's 2020 के पहले से lifetime. Okay? हाँ. Take एक phone number so you can get the address, you can get the name, you can get the total order size and previous orders. And total order size वो देख लेना because that is the shocking part कि अब तक कितना spent. You realize how much you have spent on Domino's. I have spent on Domino's. बहुत ज़्यादा amount है to be spent on Domino's. But the thing is, the problem with that is, I hate how Domino's treated it. Domino's went out and said
Easy.
it is mostly data of previous orders and stuff. But here's the thing,
Yeah,
Domino's,
what
the
the-
address, the phone number,
Yeah.
the email,
It's so
it's
lame.
not going to change for a long time. So that is where the problem is. So I don't know if they're going to take responsibility, if people are going to sue them, because I'm pissed off because I have to change my debit card, I have to change my phone number, I have to change my email, I can't change my address, but it's काफी problematic right now. So
Correct.
yeah, whatever, you get the point कि why I'm pissed off because I trusted you. And that brings me to my next point कि अभी online use क्या करें? I'm not going to use my debit card on a lot of sites now. I'm just going to UPI it because UPI जो
UPI rocks.
companies को देते हैं. हाँ, actually
rocks.
I can't believe my UPI का site ले रहा, but it's actually good because companies only get the part which is already public. Like their
Correct.
UPI is anyway public.
Correct.
So yeah, I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna UPI everything now. Not gonna use my card for a while, and I have to get a new card now. They haven't released the card details publicly, but they haven't. I trust them more than Domino's now.
Correct. Fair enough.
So that happened.
Domino's
that was topical.
Domino's had a had a bad audit company. Domino's audit company probably got fired after that. They were like, we don't want you, we're gonna go to this other better audit company.
Yeah.
Who will better
So-
protect our data. Bye-bye.
But 130 TB is pretty small for Domino's.
113 नहीं, 13 TB, 13 लिखा है.
नहीं 130 है.
Bro, it says 13 on moneycontrol.com.
13 TB है. अच्छा फिर 110 million records हो गए.
Yeah, the world can.
Okay, let's come to the next part of the podcast, which is the new IT rules, which are going to affect us all. Okay, so if you see a spike in number of immigrations, you know what that was. Okay, you don't get the joke.
I
whatever.
got the joke, but yeah, fair enough. So basically, the joke is that people will leave India for Facebook and Instagram. But I think if that happened, people will just shift to other platforms because there's a shit ton of other platforms. First of all, ये होगा नहीं, ठीक है? ये पहली बार तो नहीं होगा, ठीक है? Because ऐसा 20% इकोनॉमी सीधा डाउन हो जाएगी अगर ऐसा कुछ बैन होगा वैसा. But so I'll tell you, I'll explain the entire scare. हाँ ठीक है. In February, government of India ने कुछ companies को बोला कि you have to act as a moderator of your content. What that basically means is right now Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, not Reddit. In this case, Reddit नहीं है involved, but Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even Coup, the Indian Twitter ripoff, and a few other companies. These companies, they are just curators of content, right? The people who create content, the people who tweet, who put up pictures are you and me, right? And these companies are not responsible for what you and me tweet and what you and me spread and talk about. They're not responsible for it. They just track it and they mark trends and stuff like that.
Basically, they are protected by law.
Correct.
That they can't be sued for any content.
Correct. So if I put something controversial or spread fake news, that's not the fault of the platform, right? That's what. That's
so
the current
basically,
rules.
they are recognized as platforms, not creators.
Yeah, not moderators or stuff like that, right? So the government of India was like कि नहीं तुम्हारा बहुत नाटक हो रहा है अभी, बहुत ज़्यादा तुम्हारे पे गलत content है, तो इसको.
They started after the farmers' protest, right? The toolkit stuff and all that.
Started
I don't get political, but it
started after a lot of stuff. Yeah, I don't think it was just one incident.
It was piling up.
Yeah, absolutely, it was piling. So they were like कि बस ये बंद करो अब, या तो अगर आपको इंडिया में ऑपरेट करना है तो आपको मॉडरेट करना पड़ेगा आपको कंटेंट. यू हैव टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर व्हाट यू आर पोस्टिंग. सो इफ समवन पोस्ट समथिंग लाइक हार्मफुल और racist, you have to take the post down. You have to be responsible for it. And
also fake news. That is
fake news. Fake news is the main
main
focus. कि fake news तुम बंद करो, निकाल दो. And अगर fake news आया तो हम तुमको sue कर सकते हैं उसके लिए, ठीक है? That's basically what the government of India is saying. And then that's obviously bad for the platforms because imagine the amount of people spreading misinformation. People intentionally and unintentionally spreading misinformation. Like there's so much wrong opinions and wrong facts out there, and it's physically impossible for any platform to track it, especially platforms that have billions of users like Instagram and Facebook, right? It's impossible. And a lawsuit is way too much. It's way too much to handle for.
It's a lot of liability for a company.
Absolutely.
Lawsuit on every post that might be spreading misinformation. Like you get the numbers game here, right? कि हर एक के लिए lawsuit होगा and different types of companies will go under lawsuit.
तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने बोला फरवरी में कि तुम एक क्या बोलते एक बॉडी सेटअप करो, सेटअप अ टीम of 5 or 6 people who will be in charge of this, whole system.
So basically a moderation team.
A moderation team. And they gave them 3 months for it, ठीक है? तो फरवरी में दिया था वो लोग डेडलाइन मई का, ठीक है? मार्च अप्रैल में 3 months. तो 26 मई को डेडलाइन खत्म हुआ. एंड तब तक कू के अलावा किसी ने कंप्लाई नहीं किया था. वो लोगों ने बोला था, ट्विटर, फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप, इंस्टाग्राम ने बोला कि वी नीड मोर टाइम टू कंप्लाई विद द गवर्नमेंट एंड कोऑर्डिनेट विद देम बिकॉज दिस नॉट अ स्मॉल टास्क, बहुत बड़ा टास्क है, वी नीड मोर टाइम. एंड 3 महीने का डेडलाइन खत्म हो गया. And then that is why people were like, oh, abhi ban ho jayega, bye bye, good night.
And I don't know where it came from, but that proves the government a point, kind of. They were never gonna get banned.
Correct.
The ban काफी late आने वाला था, even if the court case still, like court cases hota, झगड़ा होता, there's big fight before actually someone bans something.
Correct.
So
and
this kind of proves their point. Like as much as I hate the way moderation and because it's borderline censorship at this point.
It is.
कि क्या ये होने वाला है क्या नहीं होने वाला है. It's
Mm-hmm.
going to be direct government के हाथ में. It's kind of censorship के line पे.
Correct.
But it kind of proves their point. कि come on man, it's like you're gonna you're gonna spread fake news about something that is trying to stop it.
Correct.
And
that was
it
pretty
wasn't
fun.
just some people, it was everybody. Like nobody even bothered to open an article. Are you scared of that?
Correct.
Because it was everyone. Like I got so many texts कि ban होने वाला है, ban होने वाला है क्या? I'm like नहीं होगा.
Correct.
It's too big to be banned,
Correct.
and it's too small a fight to be banned something.
Correct.
To ban something.
So
That
so the companies that hadn't complied yet, one of them was WhatsApp, and they sued the Indian government for
WhatsApp account, can I do WhatsApp account because
Yeah, go ahead, please go ahead. मेरे को इतना नहीं मालूम.
हाँ. So Facebook and Twitter and stuff पे जब public रहता है, okay, I get the moderation Facebook वाला part. Like I get it to some part कि you're trying to reduce fake news and stuff. Now the problem with WhatsApp, okay. So Facebook and Instagram and Twitter aren't end-to-end encrypted posts के लिए.
Correct.
Chat के लिए है कुछ इसमें. I have to check that एक बार. But WhatsApp is chat end-to-end encrypted. So if I send a message to Atik, मेरे and Atik के अलावा कोई पढ़ नहीं सकता message. It is mathematically wired that. I don't want to get into the depths of that, but it is what it is. So what the government wants is, if they have a message, they want the ability to track who sent the message. Like if a message is forwarded a lot of times, they want the ability to track who sent the message. The thing, there are a lot of problems with this. First of all, if you forward a message, only then your metadata goes. So if I forward a message to Atik forwards it to someone, तभी मेरा जाता. But if Atik copies the message and pastes it somewhere, then Atik is the first origin.
Correct.
So even though Atik did not write that message or did not mean to send that message, for example, Atik sent it to someone for fact checking, and that guy sent it forward, and it became an entire stuff. Like, you played Chinese whisper, you know how this escalates so quickly.
Correct.
So even though Atik didn't mean to do that, Atik will be the first originator. So you might get caught in the eyes of law as someone who started spreading the fake news, even though you did not start.
Correct.
Because the system can't
Track.
check the messages, right?
Correct.
Can't see कि ये दोनों message same है तो ये उसका ही होगा. If it sees a new typing thing, it's a new message. Except forwarding time, the previous message ID and stuff.
Correct.
And the second problem is, since WhatsApp is end-to-end encrypted,
You can't
it's
see who sent
technically
it.
not possible to
Yeah.
track they're gonna have to wire the entire system again. This is what they say. I think they do track if they originate one, they just don't want it in the hands of
Fair
government
enough.
because it's वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है privacy के लिए, Facebook के लिए.
Absolutely.
So that is kind of WhatsApp का problem. That is why I think Facebook, Google and Twitter are kind of complying with the laws, but WhatsApp is not. WhatsApp is clearly suing it and saying it's a privacy concern. And I hope they come through, to be very honest. Like, I get the fake news other part of WhatsApp. There might be systems to do it the other way, but this tracing back to who made the message in the first place is one, काफी privacy hindering, and two, it's kind of useless because अगर the person who's making the fake news जानबूझ के, he's smart enough to figure out he'll just copy and paste it to different places, so he won't get tracked anywhere. So I don't see a point of that. Maybe
Also,
I
it
might be
brings
wrong.
about a sense of ethics as well. So that's exactly what Advait said. The government of India wants WhatsApp to make Indian WhatsApp unencrypted. Like they want them to remove the encryption completely, and they want to be able to trace the messages to take action against the center if any content was ruled unlawful. Now, what is unlawful content? Nobody knows. They don't define it.
It's their definition.
Yeah, it's their definition of what unlawful is. And I mean, if you, I don't know how to say this politically correctly, there have been many instances in real life where something which was, so the concept of unlawful is ambiguous, it's subjective, right? What one person thinks is unlawful may not be for another person. Like
Wait, is it? I thought we have an entire set of rules.
I know, but some people take matters into their own hands and they are able to
Achha,
manipulate.
okay,
Yeah,
हाँ,
they're able to
okay,
manipulate
so
the
now
courts.
I get your
Yeah.
point. You are.
So I mean, who's gonna tell what's unlawful and what's not? If so.
The judge should be, but we don't wait for the judge. huh?
Yeah, absolutely. So that brings another like layer of ethics over it. कि मतलब, if it's unencrypted, it makes it easier for people to track you and
If WhatsApp goes unencrypted, WhatsApp loses everything.
It loses-
That is
absolutely.
another thing. Because people will switch to Signal instantly.
instantly.
I mean, it will be too far.
Maybe not instantly, but they had spent
And-
like lakhs of rupees putting ads in top papers कि तुम्हारा data safe है, and then if they remove the encryption, वही तो लग जाएगा.
But that is why we use WhatsApp, right?
No,
End-to-end
nobody cares.
safe.
Nobody cares.
Dude, are you kidding me?
Nobody cares. Only me and you care. Only tech enthusiasts care. Majority of the 400 million users in
But
India,
okay,
they
if
don't even know what
WhatsApp-
encryption is.
हाँ ठीक है चलो. If WhatsApp hadn't provided that feature in the first place, maybe then people would have not cared. But if they now they've provided the feature for years, right? It's been years WhatsApp end-to-end
Are you
encryption.
sure?
If they हाँ end-to-end encryption बहुत पहले
बस पहले से पक्का. Okay, because
हाँ,
only
yeah.
recently have they been highlighting it. Like last year वो लोग.
Yeah. नहीं लास्ट ईयर तो नहीं 2-3 4 साल तो आई कैन अश्योर यू क्योंकि मेरे पास फोन था 4 साल तो ये एंड टू एंड एन्क्रिप्शन काफी टाइम द थिंग इज नाउ दे हैव प्रोवाइडेड द फीचर दे हैव गिवन पीपल कि तुम्हारा डेटा ऐसा हो सकता है इफ दे रिमूव द फीचर पीपल आर गोना बी फ्यूरियस कि अभी क्यों निकाला इट्स लाइक दैट
Hmm.
So,
2016, fair enough. It's been encrypted since 2016, but they only recently began to like highlight it and be like, oh, your WhatsApp chat is encrypted. Yeah, this.
पहले it was just a feature
Hmm.
right now it's advertisement
It's a marketing gimmick and it's the privacy tagline, and then whenever you open a new message or a new chat, it shows that this conversation is end-to-end encrypted. So they highlight all that stuff now because of growing privacy concerns. So that's good, that's great. But now if they remove it, it's a big problem. People didn't come to WhatsApp for the encryption. They came to WhatsApp for the convenience. Okay, so I don't think people will leave it if they remove encryption. People won't even.
I will
You will leave. Yeah, you will leave. I will leave. People who are privacy aware, privacy conscious, they will leave it. No problem. I will leave for sure. Like I just go to Clubhouse. Clubhouse link in bio, by the way. Sorry. Enough plugging. But yeah, I think that is the episode we talked about.
Actually, we should plug Clubhouse. Like,
Nah.
we need more there.
Whatever. If you're on Clubhouse, follow me and Advait. We do stuff at 11 p.m. in the night with a lot of other people. It's very
I come at 1 a.m. because my Valorant खेल रहा हूँ.
whatever. तब तक मैं usually बंद कर देता हूँ, but ठीक है. No problem.
हाँ, I come at the end of the call.
And then I don't give him speaking rights because I'm gonna shut it down. Then he texts me later on कि साले speaking rights क्यों नहीं दिया?
हाँ ना. So what's the point if I come in your space and can't speak?
That's fair.
रणवीर के स्पेस से चल जाता ना अगर बोलना नहीं होता तो.
Which brings us to yes, Clubhouse is now on Android in India. So have fun. Look for the invite. किसी को invite चाहिए तो मेरे को मैसेज करो. मेरा मन किया तो दे दो.
left अभी
नहीं,
तो.
मैं-
तेरा खत्म हो गया.
मेरे को नहीं मालूम मेरा कितना बाकी है. तुमको चाहिए तो आके पूछो. मेरे को अगर तुम पसंद हो, I will give you the invite.
मेरे 3 बाकी है. नहीं I went to तन्मय भट्ट का ये Clubhouse the other day and he had the poll kind of thing कि tell me how many people will invest in Dogecoin and a lot of people raised their hands, okay, and tell me how many people will invest in Bitcoin and a few people raised their hand and वो host and those दूसरे speaker see this is the Android effect. Dude, I laughed so hard.
Yeah, correct.
I know I was the joke, but क्योंकि मैंने टोज पे हाथ उठाया था. But
Yeah.
so that's the joke at the end of it. Okay, we have Clubhouse now. Our other stuff will be in the bio, and yeah, that's about it. So be careful about ransomware and sue the government.
On that note, we'll bring this episode to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for keeping up with us even when we upload very inconsistently. Yeah, हम लोग की lives ही inconsistent है, so you can relate, I guess.
We are gonna bring some consistency.
Yeah, we're gonna try.
बीच में वो we got a huge project बीच में
Yeah,
we were
correct,
busy with
correct,
that.
correct.
Then the exams came and then the Viva. So
Correct. No problem. We'll hopefully be consistent from now on after next week's written papers. But until then, subscribe to the channel. Share this video with the friend who's got ransomware in his computer. I don't know. Tell him not to click on shady websites, okay? Or like install an ad blocker or something. Takes 2 minutes. But and also change the language to Russian of your computer. That'll
add the Russian language, not change it.
No, I'm kidding. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Follow us on Instagram. All the links are in bio.
That's about it. So,
That's all. और क्या बोलूं?
get unengineered.
Yes, don't forget to get on the internet. Bye.
Bye bye.